Welcome to my channel Learn and Enlighten Minds with Supriya. I know many of you are preparing for 11th standard admission CET and आपको पता है कि English subject is for 25 marks. So उस 25 marks में बहुत सारे topics जो है जो आपको prepare करने हैं. So today I'm here to help you out in this. Today we are going to learn about compound words. So daily I'll be teaching you different subjects through which you can prepare for your 11th standard admission CET. And those who are not preparing for it, they can learn compound words through this video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start with it. So first, let's see what is mean by compound words. Okay, so जब हम दो words की help लेके एक और नया word बनाते हैं, so उसको हम बोलते हैं compound word. For example, see this grandmother. Okay, grandmother ये जो word है ये दो word से बना है grand plus mother. Okay, so that's why this is compound words. Now compound words can be written in three ways. तीन ऐसे ways है कि जिससे हम compound word लिख सकते हैं. First one is open compound, second one closed compound, and third one is hyphenated compounds. Okay, so these are three ways कि जिससे हम compound words लिख सकते हैं. Now let's see more about open compound कि क्या है open compound. Okay, now open compounds ये जो word है it's spelled different. दो different word होते हैं जिसको हम space दे के लिखते हैं. For example, ice cream, living room, full moon, real estate, dinner table, coffee mug, high school, living room, roller coaster, tablecloth, first aid, web page. Okay, so if you will observe all the words, then one thing is common in that कि सारे जो word है ये दो अलग अलग word से बने हैं और space देके इनको अलग किया है. That is what open compounds. इनको हम open compounds बोलते हैं. But if you'll just observe together it is one word. Okay, तो ये जो मतलब है, for example, see high school. In this word, high is different word, school is different word, but together it is one more new word. So that is exactly what compound word. और अगर आप यहाँ पे इसका parts of speech देखोगे, high adjective है, school noun है, so adjective plus noun, adverb plus noun, adjective plus adverb. Okay, so combination of any parts of speech here. ठीक है, so ऐसे हम different parts of speech को combination करके भी हम compound word form कर सकते हैं. Now next one is closed compound. Closed compound में आपको क्या सिर्फ space हटाना है जो आपने open compound में किया है. Now see examples: skateboard, notebook, Superman, bookstore, fireman, keyboard, playground, footprint, grasshopper, bookmark, popcorn, basketball. So if you'll observe all the words, then here this is what these words are, combination of two different words. So these words are called as closed compounds. Now the next one is hyphenated compounds. हाइपनेटेड कंपाउंड्स में दो अलग अलग वर्ड होते हैं जिनको हाइपन देके हम कनेक्ट करते हैं और एक नया वर्ड बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लॉन्ग टर्म, हाई स्पीड, एम्प्टी हैंडेड, मास प्रोडक्शन, हाई टेक, डीप फ्राइड, लॉन्ग हेयर्ड, लेफ्ट हैंडेड, इन डेप्थ, फुल लेंथ, पार्ट टाइम, टाइम सेविंग, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, सनराइज. ओके, सो अगेन आप ये सारे वर्ड्स अगर ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो यहाँ पे दो अलग अलग वर्ड है जिनको हाइपन देके हमने कनेक्ट किया है और एक नया वर्ड फॉर्म होता है. दैट इज व्हाट हाइपनेटेड. वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि ऐसे दो वर्ड ही होने चाहिए. समटाइम इट हैज, फॉर एग्जांपल सी फादर इन लॉ, थ्री वर्ड्स है, बट अगेन इट इज हाइपनेटेड कंपाउंड. कि मदर इन लॉ, सिस्टर इन लॉ, three different words, but again it is compound word. Okay, so this is all about compound words. Now let's solve some exercise. Okay, I'll ask you some question. Okay, four options are here. First one, which word below is a compound word? Running, rainfall, yesterday, kitten. आई होप आपको आंसर पता होगा, बट आंसर मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगी. Second one, which of the following best describes a compound word? A word that describes a person, place, or thing. B. A new word formed by combining two or more words. C. A word that expresses emotion. And D. A word that describes an action. Okay, so इसमें से correct answer कौन सा है? Again, I'll tell you at the end of this video. Third one, what kind of compound word is in this sentence? And the sentence is the railroad put in a new sign by the tracks. Is it open compound, closed compound, or hyphenated compound? Okay, you can write your answers in the chat box too. Fourth one, what is true about open compound words? And the options are A. The words that mix them up are combined without a space. B. The words that mix them up are combined with a hyphen. C. The words that make them up are combined with an apostrophe. And D. The words that make them up are separated by a space. Next, fifth one, choose the appropriate word to form a compound word. Over dash. Okay, so now over word choose करके आपको compound word बनाने हैं, ठीक है? So the first option is throw, eat, ease, and both A and B. Keep your answer ready. Sixth one, find the open compound word in the following sentence. ये जो sentence है इसमें से open compound word कौन सा है? Just pick out that. Open compound word, not only compound word, huh? Open compound word. Team used a paper clip to fasten the two pieces of his homework assignment together. And the options are paper clip, two pieces, homework, assignment. Next, seventh question is, what is the compound word? My brother-in-law is a very good cook. Brother-in-law, very or very good? Eighth question, what kind of compound word is in this sentence? My brother-in-law is a very good cook. Okay, so identify the kind of compound word. Open, closed, or hyphenated. Ninth question, which of these answers shows closed compound words? Dining room, coffee mug, full moon. Second option is fortnight, thunderbolt, ponytail. And C, mother-in-law, part-time, forget-me-not. Okay, so keep your answer ready. 10th question, this quiz has questions with 4 options for each answer. It's a dash quiz. A, multiple choice. B, many choice. C, many choice without any hyphen. And D, multiple hyphen choice. Okay, so now I hope the answers are ready. So here I am disclosing the answers. First answer, rainfall. Second answer, a new word formed by combining two or more words. Third, closed. Fourth, the words that make them up are separated by a space. And fifth one, both A and B. Sixth, paperclip. Seventh, brother-in-law. 8, hyphenated. 9, fortnight, thunderbolt, ponytail. And 10, multiple choice. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, so just I hope that you understood everything about compound words. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and share it with maximum students so that they can also study at home. Thank you.